Hi there, Jeff Matheson, Matheson Group, eXp Realty. Hope you're having a great spring. We're off to the races in the housing market here in Ottawa, and it's just been an unbelievable month in April. There's a lot of things happening that's really interesting in the market for April. Last year in June, we saw the pivot, the stability happen in 2021 in June. This year, we're seeing it earlier. So what I mean by the pivot and stability is that offer dates are happening, and an offer date on a listing comes and there's no offers. So basically that multiple offer situation, that bidding war where there's over asking pricing is starting to cool off. So January and February and March were record highs. We saw unbelievable numbers for sellers, but we're starting to see that come off. Last year that happened in June, and this year now we're seeing it in April. So what does that mean? It means that interest rates, it means that mortgage rate increases, all that is having an impact on the market as well as inventory. In March, we saw 2,600 new listings hit the MLS system for the Ottawa Real Estate Board. And we continue to see more inventory every single week in April. So we've got more competition for sellers. We have less buyers in the market because of the higher interest rates with the higher mortgage rate. So now we're seeing sale prices kind of cool off a little bit. Not as many bidding wars where we saw maybe on a house, you get 10 to 15 bids on a house. A month ago, maybe we're getting 3 or 4 now. So the opportunity is there for buyers. It's coming in the next 30 to 60 days. Be patient. If you're a buyer, you're going to see some opportunities in the market. If you're a seller, do not wait until that early summer, late spring to sell your house. It's definitely the right time to do it now. Take advantage of this market that won't last forever. It's going to be a seller's market for this foreseeable future, but the peak is right now. So take advantage of that. We're going to move into more of a balanced market probably in the next 3 months or so. And then eventually, I estimate that this year we might even see a buyer's market. So stay tuned for that as well. So if you're a buyer or a seller, make sure you sit with a realtor that can give you a game plan and really understand what's happening in this market today and really build out a plan and a strategy so that if you're selling your house, you understand how you can achieve the highest price for your property. And if you're a buyer, make sure you have a plan and strategy in place so that you're not going to pay over asking. You're not going to get into these bidding wars that are starting to cool off a little bit. We have those strategies and those game plans for buyers and sellers here at Matheson Group eXp Realty. Give us a call anytime at 613-404-5700, and we're always happy to help.